Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to remove tarnish from a watch case. I'm Hugh Jazzman, watch polisher, and today we're looking at the tarnish on a 1950s Sicura. We're going to be using Cape Cod Cloth to remove the tarnish. Now, Cape Cod Cloth can be found on eBay for about $6 a 2-pack. It's very useful for cleaning all precious metals. And what you want to do, it's kind of oily, so just get in there and scrub that watch. And focus on the parts that have tarnish or patina. Now you can see the tarnish actually coming off onto the cloth. The brownish discoloration on the watch case, that is the tarnish. In this case it's bronze tarnish, which can be caused primarily by oxidation, or really there's quite a few chemical reactions that can create tarnish on your watch. So exposure to oils, natural oils from your body. Now look at that gunk come off. Now as soon as you're done, finish with a jeweler's cloth, and that'll get the oily Cape Cod juice off of there. And actually that helps out in removing the tarnish too. See, it's still coming off. But just give it a good rub. And get the edges. Now this is a mechanical watch from the 1950s, an excellent specimen. All right, thanks again.